Hello. Nice rainy day out at the breweries. Oh jeez. Just filled it. Well, I never filled it up. You can't fill this up. It's too much money. Just put a drop of gas in this. In the old beast. Going for a nice rainy day drive up in the pits. Oh jeez. Bouncy. Got the trusty bucket, and we're gonna try this cheap $40 rain clothes, this cheap rubber gear. No, it wasn't even $40, it was $25 it was, for this rain gear. We're gonna see if it leaks and if it gets soaked. Stay tuned because I'll probably make a video off on the Fiat.